Well, yes, largely better than what the street was working with across all categories, whether it is commercial vehicle, passenger vehicle, two-wheelers or tractors. All of them have reported strong double-digit growth on a year-on-year basis. But as you mentioned, on a month-on-month basis, numbers do look weak. But this is on account of higher base effect. October had that impact of Diwali and Dussehra, and hence on a month-on-month basis, numbers definitely look weak. TVS Motor, Hero MotoCorp has reported better than expected set of numbers. If you look at the numbers, Tata Motors passenger vehicle has reported a strong 26% growth on a year-on-year basis, with sales standing at about 60,000 units. We have Maruti Suzuki, which surprisingly has reported an uptick on a month-on-month basis of about 4%, 26% year-on-year growth. So that's Maruti Suzuki for you. We also have M&M Auto, which has reported a 19% growth, and as I mentioned, on a month-on-month basis, it's a 4% decline. But within the passenger vehicle segment, Hyundai is the only one that has reported single-digit growth of 9%. So that's an outlier within the commercial vehicle segment, and on a month-on-month basis, it has reported a decline. Shifting focus to the commercial vehicle space, then VECV, Eicher Motors, has reported a 37% uptick YOY. So that's good, better than what the street was working with. We also have Tata Motors commercial vehicle 29% uptick, and Ashok Leyland at about 29% on a year-on-year basis. Shifting focus then to the two-wheeler segment, and they've also reported strong set of numbers. Eicher Motors RE at about 22%, TVS, Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto have all reported strong set of numbers. And within this segment, Bajaj Auto has been an outlier because that one has reported weaker than expected set of numbers. Bajaj Auto should come up for you on your screens, only 7.5% YOY growth versus other peers in the same segment, which have reported a strong 25 to 35% YOY growth. So Bajaj Auto clearly has been an underperformer as compared to its peers. Lastly, tractor segment, Escorts has reported a strong 18% growth. Remember, we were not expecting strong sales from tractor, but they have also outperformed. Both Escorts and M&M Tractor has reported strong set of numbers. M&M Tractor at about 32%. So clearly very strong set of numbers, and most of them have reported strong double-digit growth on a year-on-year basis.